Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to get Capcut Pro for free in 1 minute. So let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to the Play Store icon on your home screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the Play Store is open, type Capcut in the search bar and tap on search button from the keyboard. You will get the results of search. Tap on the Capcut app to open it. Here you will see an install button. Tap to start download and installation process. Please wait a moment for the installation to complete. It may take a few moments, depend on your internet connection speed. You will see an open button. Tap on the open button to launch the Capcut app. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Capcut on your Android device. You can explore its features and enjoy editing and creating amazing videos with this powerful app. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.